In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update the status of your orders through your Instaproofs administrative site. Now to get started, we're going to go into the Selling tab and into the Orders page. On this page, we'll see a list of orders that haven't been shipped yet, and if we want to update all of them at one time, we can simply click the box at the top to select them all, select an action, such as marking as new, ordered, shipped, or marking them as ordered or shipped and sending an email to our customer to let them know that the status has been updated. I'm going to go ahead and mark them all as ordered. Now the page will refresh and you'll see that all of the orders have been marked as ordered. I'm going to go ahead and mark them all as new once again so that we can work on them individually. And then if we want to modify one at a time, or if we want to add tracking information to an order, we can click into the order details, and at the top of the page there's an order status option here. We'll click update, select the order status. For example, we might select ordered if we've just sent the order to our lab. We can email the customer to let them know that their order has been placed, and we can add a custom note to them. If you want to send a copy of the email to yourself, you can also put a check mark in this box here, and then update the order status. When the page refreshes, we'll see that the order status is now ordered, and the email address that email went to is the email address provided by your customer when they placed their original order. If we change the status to shipped, we might want to provide a tracking number so our clients can track the order. We'll email them again, update the status, and they'll receive an email with that tracking number and with the status update saying that the order has been shipped. Now if the order has been sent through our fulfillment services, you won't have to manually update the status because that will automatically update as the order is shipped by the lab. The content of the email that's sent to your client can be set through the Marketing, Email Templates page, and if we scroll down we can see there's a global email templates list right here, and some of these global templates are for order status updates, such as order status ordered, shipped, shipped with tracking, and ready for pickup. If we want to modify those templates, we just click the edit button here. We can modify it to be anything we'd like it to be, and then we save our changes. Once the email template has been saved, any order that's been updated will automatically use the new email template if you choose to send an email to your client for that. And that's how you change the order statuses of your orders. If you have any questions, shoot us an email at support@instaproofs.com.